Welcome to Media Corner. In this video we show how easy it is to quickly turn this pre-built template into a beautiful promo for a beauty salon. Alright, first step is to log in, then hit the plus button here on the right corner to bring up the template drawer, and we're going to scroll down here and open up one of our new templates. So the new templates are here, just below the social templates. So first things first, we're going to change the color of the text here for Go Unlimited to pink, which will suit the template that we're building. So I can paste in my color code here or use one of the pre-assigned colors. I'm just going to change the text here now to something different. That looks good. Next step here is we're going to change this photo out. So I'm going to delete this car photo, and that blue area you see right there is called shape layer. That is the blue background. So I'm going to turn that background into the same color we're using for the text, which is pink. Alright, so there's no use keeping these car packages here for a salon template, so that's what we're going to do now is we're going to change out the different packages to salon package. Now it's time to add an image. The ScreenScape curated media library is a great resource. I'll show you how to get there. So hit the plus button once, go to add image. At the bottom here, hit that plus button again, and we're going to go to photography right here, and industries, and there's one for beauty, which works great for our salon template we're building. Highlight the photo, hit view edit selected, then click upload, and it shows up right in your image drawer right here. So click on that, and we're going to resize this and put it behind that pink shape layer, so the photo has a nice pink overlay. When I say layer, I mean the items in this panel here on the right. Those are called layers. So we're going to save this and put this into a playlist. So we highlight the template, we go up top here to add playlist. I already have a playlist I created for this template, so I'm just going to hit add and go to playlists here at the top. And now we're going to get into our playlist. So I'll show you how to add one of our new layouts. So we go to properties here, we go to the first thing, which is layout, and we select this one here. It's called Morse. So all of our new layouts that are logo friendly say logo on them, so that's easy enough. So we're going to change the color of the playlist now. So we're going to hit theme. We're going to toggle on this little switch that says use custom theme, and on this layout, color 2 changes the color of the bar. So now it's pink, so it really fits with our salon theme. Text color 1 and text color 2 change the color of the clock and the weather area. So have fun experimenting with these new templates and the new layouts. My name is Aiden. If you have questions, you can send a message to me anytime at mediacorner@screenscape.com. Have a great day. Bye.